What is up, Fence fam? Joe Everest, the fence expert. Welcome to another hot take clip, a short clip of a recent live Q&A on my main YouTube channel. For more information on my main channel, as well as exactly the content this clip was pulled from, check out the description below. Corso wants to know, how do you get the top of post level on unleveled dirt? So we typically run a string line. I know some people out there are cursing string lines. I get it. However, we typically use a longer post. So we'd set to full depth, leave the post tall, run a string line across the top of them. So at first we would do a true measurement on the job, and then we would feather it up or down depending on where we needed to be to try to get that top of the fence level. Using longer posts and leaving them high is how we try to accomplish it on unleveled dirt. Great question. Oh, you also answered the question. Run a string line across the top. That's how we visualize it. It really is. We set it all to height, and then we set the string line to height. We can take a step back, look at it, and realize, okay, I'm visualizing this top line. This needs to come up. This needs to come up. This needs to come down. Whatever it is, the use case on that is. Yeah, string line helps you visualize it. It really does.